Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. The Borg Warner T-35 was used from 1963 until 1976 in various applications. The master kit is going to have all your gaskets and your seals, like this one here. And this is the foreign type, not the domestic type. The domestic type is going to have a small bump in the pan and also in the gasket, so you could actually tell which is the foreign type and the domestic type. The master kit is also going to bring your steels, nine steels in total, and nine frictions or clutches in total. So you could opt out to buy a master kit, which would include your gaskets and seals, your frictions and your steels. A banner kit, which would be the overhaul kit plus frictions. Or you could just simply buy the overhaul kit if all you need to do is seal the transmission. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you could find more information about this kit. If you have any information, please reach out to us. Please give us a big thumbs up and talk to you soon. Bye.